Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove background with Vance AI. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Launch your preferred web browser and enter vanceai.com into the browser address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already logged in into your Vance AI account to access its powerful features. Step 3. Scroll down to explore the array of capabilities Vance AI offers. Choose AI Background Remover and click Start now. Step 4. Tap Click to upload and select the image you want to enhance. On the right, choose either human or object as the output option. Then click Start the process to begin processing. Wait until it's done processing the image. And here, you can see the before and after of your images. Now, simply click on Download Image to obtain enhanced image with no background. It's that simple to transform your photos by removing unwanted backgrounds. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.